If you're new to investing, don't start with what's trending. Start with what actually builds wealth. Today, let's talk about where beginners should start when it comes to investing. No hype, no confusion, just some first real steps. Step number one, build your safety net before you invest. Here's the truth most people skip. Investing starts with stability, not stocks. What you need: a small emergency fund, even $500 to $1,000 to start. You need a budget that covers your essentials, and you also need a plan for high interest debt. Why, you may ask? Because investing doesn't work if life keeps pulling you backwards. Your investments need time, and emergencies can force you into pulling out early. Step number two, learn the basics of how investing actually works. You don't need a finance degree. You just need to understand three things: what you're investing in, whether that be stocks, bonds, ETFs, etc., how long you plan to invest, and how much risk can you handle, also known as risk tolerance. Having some knowledge stops you from panic selling when the market dips. Step number three, start with simple, low-cost investments. This is where the magic happens. If you're a beginner, considering starting with index funds or ETFs, your company provided 401k or 403b contributions, Roth IRAs for long-term tax-free growth as well. These give you instant diversification without needing to pick individual stocks, which can open you up to more risk. Step number four, make it automatic. Set it and forget it. Automatic monthly contributions take the emotion out of investing and help you build wealth consistently over time. Slow and steady wins, not fast and risky. I have a bonus step. If your employer offers you a retirement plan with a company match, I highly suggest participating in it. Employer matching contributions represent an immediate risk-free return on your investment that you would otherwise forfeit. Consistently contributing to such a plan allows you to build retirement savings efficiently while maximizing the value of your compensation package. In closing, if you're just starting out, remember this: start with stability, learn the basics, choose simple investments, and be consistent. So remember to stay disciplined, focused, and extra credit strong. I'm Alan with Extra Credit Financial Solutions, and if you found this helpful, follow for more quick lessons that will help you keep more of what you earn. Also, please comment or share with someone who needs a reminder. Thank you.